This is my review of the Zhivana Organics Burdock root. I bought this because I was in need of supplementing some burdock root into my life. And this particular one has done what it needs to do, most definitely. And from the time you first open this, you get hit with that burdock scent. If you're new to burdock and you're looking to kind of ease into it, it can help take some of the pow out of the intense flavor of the burdock root by adding your burdock root to some cold water for like 2 minutes before plopping it into your decoction. And what I mean by decoction is I typically simmer my roots for anywhere about like 15-20 minutes to really get the most nutrition out of the roots. And so this is USDA 100% organic. And these burdock roots are dried and cut. And these are just absolutely, these are amazing. These are not large cut. These are perfectly sized for my glass kettle that I have. And so I love using this brand of burdock root. And I do really, really appreciate the fact that this is USDA organic, as I am drinking this every day. And this is the 1 pound package size.